and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have a new to me company to share some items with. So these are from diamondart.uk. They were kind enough to let me choose a few items off their site. So I did choose two different paintings which come in these lovely boxes, and then I ordered this monster which was wrapped perfectly. It's been moved about a couple of times, which is why the polystyrene is a little bit more bashed than it was when it arrived with me. But I am going to show you this one first because I do also kind of want to check it against the paintings. So what they offer, or one of the many things that they offer, is a frame for your diamond painting. This is one of their nice wooden frames. We do have just a little bit of the polystyrene still about, with a nice hard backing, and then we do have a hook as well. But this can be used for framing your diamond paintings. So I chose a 30 by 40 frame. So let me just, is it that way? No, it's got to be that way. So I chose a 30 by 40 frame because that is a very popular size of diamond painting. Just get these little back bits further out the way. There we go. I'll pop links. There are a few different design styles available, but I went for this lovely dark wood look. I thought it was beautiful, and I did go for a couple of paintings that should fit inside this. And that's partly what I want to check, which is why I wanted to unbox this one first. But you can see it's got this gorgeous wood tone. In fact, let's measure that before I get out the diamond paintings. So the inside is just short, so it's 29.5 centimetres, which is kind of what I'd expect, really. And then 39 and maybe a 0.6 maybe. So there is a couple of mils for you to be able to get your painting lined up. But what I did want to check is whether their diamond paintings are the drill area size or the canvas size. So I ordered two diamond paintings that are down as 30 by 40s. So we do get a squishy for a pen, some wax, some tweezers, and a multiplacer. Do we get anything else in here? So this is new to me, this company. We do. So in with the box, we do then also get a tray, wax and pen, but then they have added some nice heart wax, a squishy for your pen, a set of tweezers, and a multiplacer. So you sort of get the standard toolkit and then a bonus. This one is a square, and it is down as a 30 by 40. I thought this dog was so cute, whether he's looking for Santa, looking for his owners, or just looking for a treat. Now, this canvas is only 25 by 35, so you will need to size up if you want it to go in a frame, because this as a 30 by 40 will fit in the frame, but you will still have all of your key on show and all of your instructions on the bottom. And that is why I ordered the 30 by 40 size. It's the first time I've ordered from them, so I wanted you guys to have all the information that you may need. The diamond painting looks extremely clear, Really nice poured glue. It actually, oh, I do like that. It has grids. So can you see, we do have blocks of 10. So if you don't like cover paper and you like to work straight from this, you've got some beautiful lines to be able to trim it up, to peel back a section instead of having to use washi tape. So I do like that. But this picture won't fit in that frame unless I put some sort of mount on this. So I could create a mount to go around the edge, or I could decorate the edge with washi tape and then it would be able to go in the frame and look nice, but it won't go in straight as a big image. But the symbols are really clear. They are all using letters. In this instance, it has 24 different colours, and I say this one is a square. The drills do look rather nice, I will say. They do look like nice drills. And the canvas is nice and sticky. I'm not seeing loads of bumps. I'm not seeing loads of trash diamond. In fact, I'm not seeing any trash diamonds. That doesn't mean there won't be any, but I'm not seeing any, which means there's not loads of them. So really, really nice quality diamonds from what I can see. And isn't he cute? Or she cute? Has got the look of Luna, I will say. While she is a cockapoo, you can see the spaniel in her quite a bit, especially with her ears. That and quite often her temperament, but definitely with her ears. So that is painting number 1. Let me keep those diamonds together. And then I also got a second painting. I did get it the same size, again thinking if it would fit in the frame, but a bit of washi tape or maybe a bit of sort of some form of duct tape that's quite thick but colourful. You could create yourself quite a nice mount with that to then pop in the 30 by 40 frame, or you could get an image slightly bigger, say 35 by 45, and that will take account to the border if you want the image to fill the frame. So this one is quite a little bit different. This one is in round, but this is a gorgeous scenic one. So it's sort of a night time-ish lights are coming on. Sky's not quite black, but this is a beautiful, I think it's Venice. I'm saying that because of the gondola and the water, of course, in between everything. This one also has 24 colours. They are all letters, so symbols are nice and easy to read. Symbols are nice and easy to read on the canvas as well, even where you've got quite a few together, quite a few different symbols. Some of these confetti bits, but then you do have some bits where you place, you know, quite a few of the same symbol. Again, you also get the basic toolkit, but then you get what you could call a mini upgrade with a pair of metal tweezers. Now, they are metal tweezers, but they're not like pointy tweezers. You're not going to stab anybody with those. I know some of you may want to, but you're not going to stab anybody with those, but they should be perfectly fine for picking up diamonds. A multi-placer, a nice little case for your wax, and a squishy to upgrade your pen. And then these are the diamonds for this one. Again, they look really good. I'm not seeing any little nubs on them. I'm not seeing a load of trash in the drills. There is quite a bit of black in this one, but I'm not seeing, again, I'm not seeing any trash in there. I'm not seeing bubbles in diamonds. I'm not seeing bits sticking out from the diamonds as though they've not quite broken away properly. I'm not seeing any of that in any of the colours, the light, the dark, the medium. So very much look like nice quality drills. They do all come in baggies, which is kind of handy. So this, I say, nice quality, fair priced diamond paintings, which I'll be happy, I'd be happy to work on either of these. But we have this gorgeous scene and we have this cute little puppy waiting for something. If it's Luna, somebody to come home, or a treat, one or the other, only because she doesn't know who Santa is. So they're the two paintings I picked from them. And then, as I say, this is the frame. I will pop a link for it down below. There are multiple different sizes and there are different styles of frames as well, but this is sort of one of the nicer frames that you can get. It will fit a true 30 by 40, but if you do want to add one of their paintings, either create yourself a mount in some way, whether that be from card or from taping around the edges, or get yourself a larger painting. I think either would work. Pictures do look really nice in a mount, but they do have 5 centimeters for the border, so do take that into account. But as I say, I will pop a link to each of these items down below in case any of them have taken your fancy, or just go for a browse like I did, because that was quite fun. But these are from diamondartuk.uk. So thank you so much to them for sending me these to share with you all, and thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.